Yo, what is up, people? Back with another banger video, and let me tell you, this one's gonna blow your minds. Today, we're diving headfirst into the crazy world of crypto, more specifically, the top 5 altcoins you absolutely need to have on your radar. Listen up, because this stuff is changing the game every single day. If you're not staying ahead of the curve, you're already falling behind. We're talking life-changing gains, revolutionary technology, and a whole new way to think about money. So buckle up, smash that like button, and get ready to have your minds blown as we explore the future of finance. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. All right, let's kick things off with the OG altcoin itself, the one and only Ethereum. Now, some of you might be thinking, why are you even talking about Ethereum? Isn't that old news? And to that I say, are you kidding me? Ethereum is like the godfather of altcoins. It paved the way for everything that came after. First off, Ethereum is all about smart contracts. Imagine a world where agreements are automatically enforced. No more middlemen, no more shady deals. That's the power of Ethereum. And let's not forget about decentralized applications, or dApps as the cool kids call them. From gaming to finance, dApps are changing the way we interact with the digital world. But hold on, there's more. Ethereum 2.0 is on the horizon, and it's bringing some serious upgrades. We're talking faster transactions, lower fees, and a more sustainable network. This is huge news, people. With all these advancements, it's no wonder Ethereum is still a major player in the crypto game. I mean, just look at its track record. Ethereum has consistently been one of the top performing cryptocurrencies, and with Ethereum 2.0 on the way, the future is looking brighter than ever. But don't just take my word for it. Do your own research, check out the charts, and see for yourself why Ethereum is still a force to be reckoned with. Trust me, this is one altcoin you don't want to sleep on. Let's take a moment to appreciate the visionaries behind Ethereum. Vitalik Buterin, the co-founder, along with a dedicated team of developers, have been tirelessly working to push the boundaries of what's possible with blockchain technology. Since its initial launch in 2015, Ethereum has grown exponentially, not just in terms of market value, but also in its technological advancements and community support. Ethereum's impact is global. It's not just a cryptocurrency. It's a platform that's being adopted by developers and businesses around the world to create innovative solutions. The Ethereum ecosystem is vast, with thousands of projects built on its blockchain. From decentralized finance, DeFi platforms, to non-fungible tokens, NFTs, Ethereum is at the heart of some of the most exciting developments in the crypto space. The community around Ethereum is also incredibly vibrant. Developer conferences, hackathons, and community events are constantly buzzing with new ideas and collaborations. And let's not forget about security. Ethereum's robust security features make it a trusted platform for developers and users alike. Looking ahead, the potential for Ethereum is limitless. With continuous upgrades and a strong community, Ethereum is poised to remain a dominant force in the crypto world for years to come. Ethereum's influence extends beyond its own blockchain. Many other projects and blockchains have drawn inspiration from Ethereum's model, further cementing its legacy as a pioneer in the space. One of the key strengths of Ethereum is its adaptability. The platform has evolved over the years to meet the changing needs of the market, ensuring it remains relevant and valuable. The support from the global community is a testament to Ethereum's enduring appeal. It's not just a technology, it's a movement that's bringing people together to build a decentralized future. For those new to Ethereum, there are plenty of educational resources available. From online courses to community forums, there's a wealth of information to help you get started and understand the intricacies of this powerful platform. So as we look to the future, keep an eye on Ethereum. With its track record of innovation and a roadmap full of exciting developments, it's clear that Ethereum is here to stay. Ethereum's journey is far from over, and the best is yet to come. Stay tuned, stay informed, and don't miss out on the incredible opportunities that Ethereum has to offer. Join the revolution, get involved, and be a part of the future with Ethereum. This is one altcoin you definitely don't want to sleep on. Next up, we've got Cardano, the altcoin that's here to shake things up. Cardano is not just another cryptocurrency. It's a revolutionary platform designed to transform the way we think about blockchain technology and its applications. Now, Cardano is all about bringing some much-needed scientific rigor to the world of crypto. Unlike many other projects, Cardano is built on a foundation of academic research and scientific principles. They're taking a research-driven approach, using peer-reviewed papers and rigorous testing to build a blockchain that's secure, scalable, and sustainable. This means that every aspect of Cardano's technology is scrutinized and validated by experts in the field before it's implemented. One of the things that sets Cardano apart is its focus on sustainability. In a world where energy consumption by cryptocurrencies is a growing concern, Cardano is leading the way with its eco-friendly approach. They're using a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism called Ouroboros, which is way more energy efficient than Bitcoin's proof-of-work system. This innovative consensus algorithm not only reduces energy consumption but also enhances the security and decentralization of the network. So, you can feel good about investing in Cardano, knowing that you're not contributing to the planet's energy crisis. Cardano's commitment to sustainability extends beyond just energy efficiency. It also includes efforts to minimize its overall environmental impact. But Cardano is not just about being eco-friendly, it's also about empowering people. The platform aims to create a more inclusive financial system that benefits everyone, especially those who are currently underserved by traditional banking systems. They're working on bringing financial services to the developing world, giving people access to banking and other essential services that they wouldn't have otherwise. This includes providing secure and affordable ways to save, borrow, and transfer money, which can have a profound impact on people's lives. And let's not forget about the tech. Cardano's technology is at the forefront of blockchain innovation, offering features and capabilities that are unmatched by many other platforms. Cardano is built on a layered architecture that allows for future upgrades and improvements. This modular design ensures that the platform can evolve and adapt to new challenges and opportunities without compromising its core functionality. This means that Cardano is built to last. It's not going to become obsolete anytime soon. The platform's ability to integrate new technologies and protocols makes it a future-proof solution in the ever-changing landscape of blockchain. With its strong team, innovative technology, and commitment to sustainability, Cardano is definitely an altcoin to watch. The project's dedication to scientific research, environmental responsibility, and financial inclusion sets it apart as a leader in the crypto space. Whether you're an investor, a developer, or just a blockchain enthusiast, Cardano offers something for everyone. Alright, moving on to Polkadot, the altcoin that's connecting all the blockchains. Polkadot is not just another cryptocurrency, it's a groundbreaking project aiming to create a unified network of blockchains. Now, Polkadot is all about interoperability. This means it focuses on enabling different blockchains to work together seamlessly. It's like the internet of blockchains, allowing different blockchains to communicate and share data with each other. Think of it as a universal translator for blockchains, breaking down barriers and fostering collaboration. Imagine a world where you can seamlessly move your assets and data between different blockchains. No more silos, no more fragmentation. This would mean greater efficiency, reduced costs, and enhanced innovation across the board. That's the vision of Polkadot. A world where blockchain technology is not isolated, but interconnected, creating a more robust and versatile ecosystem. And it's not just a pipe dream, they're already making it a reality. Polkadot's technology is being implemented in various real-world applications, proving its viability and potential. Polkadot has a unique sharding technology that allows it to process transactions in parallel, making it super fast and scalable. This means it can handle a high volume of transactions without slowing down, a crucial feature for any blockchain network. And with its parachain auctions, Polkadot is creating a thriving ecosystem of specialized blockchains that can cater to specific needs. This is huge, people. These parachains can be customized for different applications, from finance to supply chain management, offering tailored solutions for various industries. We're talking about a future where different blockchains can work together to create a more decentralized and interconnected world. This collaboration can lead to unprecedented levels of innovation and efficiency, driving the blockchain industry forward. Polkadot is still in its early stages, but it's already making waves in the crypto space. Its innovative approach and promising technology have caught the attention of developers, investors, and enthusiasts alike. With its ambitious vision and cutting-edge technology, Polkadot has the potential to revolutionize the way we think about blockchains. It's not just about creating a new blockchain, but about transforming the entire landscape, making it more interconnected, efficient, and versatile. The future of blockchain could very well be a Polkadot-powered one, and it's exciting to see how this project will evolve and shape the industry. Now let's talk about Solana, the altcoin that's faster than a cheetah on Red Bull. Solana is all about speed and scalability. It can handle thousands of transactions per second, making it one of the fastest blockchains out there. But Solana is not just about speed, it's also incredibly cheap to use. We're talking fractions of a penny per transaction. This makes Solana ideal for microtransactions and other use cases where low fees are essential. And let's not forget about the community. Solana has a vibrant and passionate community of developers and users who are constantly building and innovating on the platform. This is crucial for the long-term success of any blockchain. With its blazing fast speeds, low fees, and active community, Solana is quickly becoming a favorite among developers and users alike. Last but not least, we have Chainlink, the altcoin that's bringing real-world data to the blockchain. Chainlink is all about oracles, which are basically bridges between the blockchain and the real world. Think about it. Most blockchains are isolated ecosystems. They don't have access to real-world data like stock prices, weather forecasts, or sports scores. That's where Chainlink comes in. Chainlink provides a secure and reliable way to bring off-chain data onto the blockchain. This opens up a whole world of possibilities for decentralized applications. Imagine a decentralized insurance platform that can automatically pay out claims based on real-world events, or a supply chain management system that can track goods in real time. Chainlink is already being used by some of the biggest names in the blockchain space, including Aave, Synthetics, and Celsius Network. With its strong partnerships and real-world utility, Chainlink is well positioned to become the go-to oracle solution for the blockchain industry. So there you have it, folks. Those are my top 5 altcoins that you need to know about. From Ethereum's smart contracts to Chainlink's oracles, these altcoins are at the forefront of the blockchain revolution. But remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg. There are thousands of other altcoins out there, each with its own unique features and potential. So do your own research, stay informed, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Peace out.